We consume a lot of information nowadays, from not only books but also from Netflix, YouTube, newsletters, Twitter threads, Medium articles, and much more. But the more we read, the more it seems to slip through our long term memory. And we are always in the search of that productivity tool which will help us to store the amount of knowledge we have in a way that you can access at any time you want. And this is where Zettelkasten note taking method will help you, which was introduced by German sociologist Nikolaus Luhmann. This Zettelkasten was made famous by Nikolaus Luhmann, who was a German sociologist who published over 70 books and 400 academic articles. Luhmann credited his achievements to his Zettelkasten, which contained over 90,000 ideas that helped him to develop topics by combining ideas together into a cohesive whole. Even after his death, Luhmann's ideas are combined to publish more books on his behalf, and various note-taking apps are also developed. Zettelkasten sounds like a complicated German physiological concept, but it simply means slip box, which refers to box containing many slips of paper. Each slip represents a single atomic idea that makes sense by itself and also in combination with other ideas. It is similar to how our brain works, but with a better memory. In earlier times, Nikolaus Luhmann used handwritten notes, but now we have these note-taking apps which are designed on this Zettelkasten concept. So we will use the combination of Notion and Roam Research while understanding the concept. The whole concept of note taking is explained in How to Take Smart Notes. I highly recommend you guys to go through that book if you're a junkie like me and want to understand the concept better, and I've also created a video titled How to Take Smart Notes. You can also check that out. Well, when regular note taking comes, it doesn't work that well. I'm sure you can pass your college exams with regular note taking method. Your aim in life is not to just pass the college exams. You need these kind of techniques to make that various pieces of information into a knowledgeable data. The whole point of note taking is not to just take notes for the purpose of note taking, but it is much more. Because note taking and writing is a tool which can be used to refine and enhance your note taking. So by using digital note taking apps like Obsidian, Roam and Notion, you will not just have this separate information, but it will help you to create the connections between similar ideas and thoughts. And information from the various sources can be linked together with the help of backlinks. And this amazing structure is created which has all this connected knowledge in it. Taking notes using Zettelkasten method can be intimidating at first, and most of the videos and articles you see are just principle based with few examples of how to implement the principles in the process. So in this complete series, I will tell you how to implement the Zettelkasten method with the complete Zettelkasten workflow. And when you can understand the principle, then you can easily go to your own design and implement them into your own method. So in the next video, I will explain what are the steps in the Zettelkasten work that can help you to implement into your own structure and improve your note taking method. And all the episodes of this series are linked in the description. See you in the next video.